Welcome to J&J's test video for SPFD 256 93 LX Fox body, 5 liter with a manual behind it. We're selling a 5-speed swap, the motor as a engine, and then the harness and the ECU for people that want to do a speed density to mass airflow sensor conversion. No idea how many miles are on it. Runs pretty good. Seats are okay. Good old Fox. We'll take it for a ride, show you the transmission works. Just gotta set that down in there. Hood's no good. Got a couple of OEM pieces. All right, let's see what we got. Good old, man, these things are like tractors. There's second. Let's see if I can get her up in the third. There's third. There's fourth. There's fifth. Stall, stall, stall. There she goes. She runs pretty good. Woo! A little posi action. Alright, got some brakes. Good old Mustang. Alright, that's enough of that. As always, thank you for watching. And have, park brake works, and have your pets spayed and neutered.